I featured Vidsembly on There's an AI for that to see what kind of traction a paid listing could generate. I paid $347 for the post. Here's exactly what happened in the first 24 hours. The approval process was fast. I submitted Vidsembly at 1 a.m. Pacific, and by early afternoon it was live on the platform. It showed up at the top of the Just Released section right away. We got exposure across 3 major spots: the homepage, the Just Released section, and their 3:30 p.m. daily email. I checked in incognito and confirmed that the placement wasn't just personalized. Within the first 24 hours, our demo video got over 9,000 views. We had 509 profile opens, 312 organic clicks to our site, and more than 36,000 search impressions on the platform. We also saw 9 saves, multiple early comments, and some initial ratings. These engagement signals likely helped keep our listing visible across the platform for most of the day. In our Auth0 dashboard, we saw a clear spike in daily active users. Launching on TAAFT translated into real usage and signups within 24 hours. As a first-time launch, we also received a $300 ad credit for their PPC system. It extended our exposure beyond the initial post. For us, the $347 investment was absolutely worth it.